Tata Motors already shared its ambitious project to roll out 10 electric cars by 2025. As a part of this plan, the first electric car to roll out is the Altroz EV. Altroz already secured an impressive 5-star rating at the global NCAP crash test. Now the electric version of Altroz will be safer and powerful too. The Altroz EV was first showcased at the Auto Expo 2020 and it will be expected for a grand launch in the first half of 2022. Tata Motors developing the Altroz EV under its Ziptron platform. So there are high chances that the specifications of Altroz EV and Nexon EV are similar. However, the Nexon EV is a SUV and Altroz EV is a premium hatchback. Moreover, the body of Altroz EV will be same as the petrol version, whereas the soul will be electric and the brain will be a motor controller. Coming to the expected specifications of Altroz EV, top speed of 120 km per hour, 94.7 kW peak powered permanent magnet synchronous motor. In terms of acceleration, Altroz EV might have a better acceleration when compared with Nexon EV because there is 200 kilograms of weight difference between Nexon and Altroz. So, acceleration of Altroz EV might be 0 to 100 km per hour in 9 seconds. Compared with Nexon EV, Altroz EV is lighter. Also, the expected features of Altroz EV are digital instrument cluster, auto air conditioning system and a connected application. Also, Tata Motors is planning to provide 2 range variants for the Altroz EV based on the customer's feedback. The basic one with 300 km of range and the additional battery pack variant with 500 km of range. And the charging time 60 minutes with a 25 kW DC fast charger. Coming to the pricing of Altroz EV, it will be affordable than Nexon EV, close to 12 lakh rupees and up to 15 lakh rupees for the extended range variant. So viewers, share your opinion about the Altroz EV. Go green, go electric.